Over the past 3 years, a groundbreaking series of houses has been developed, epitomizing the principles of democratic design. This approach optimizes available resources to create products that are both well-designed and affordable. The exploration of these premises has led to the establishment of guidelines that aesthetically resonate with the iconic Farnsworth House by Mies van der Rohe. These houses emphasize unadorned spaces, focusing on a skin and bones architecture. Central to this series of homes is the concept of formal economy, which plays a crucial role in the implementation of prefabrication. By standardizing windows and facades in harmony with the modulation of finishes, these houses meet clients' economic expectations while generating a replicable matrix. This matrix has enabled the simultaneous development and construction of multiple houses, exemplified by the Casa Gemela project undertaken between 2015 and 2016. Through the economy of scale, these homes were built efficiently while remaining adaptable to the specific needs of each client and their location. The architecture of Casa Gemela arose from the dream of a family desiring a spacious yet affordable home. With a limited budget, the family sought a house large enough to accommodate all its members. The challenge was to create a home that was both generous and economical, two qualities that are rarely associated. A primary requirement for the house was to be a space that harmonized with the landscape, allowing the family to enjoy direct contact with nature. The design needed to function as a balcony, providing a platform to contemplate, smell, listen to, and enjoy nature without disturbing it. The house's footprint was carefully adjusted to fit a small clearing atop an untouched mountain, a location offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The house's design features a unique structural approach. It is supported by just 6 points from which the main structure emerges, with the rest of the house hanging from these points. A black metal structure, composed of two 8 by 8 meter modules, supports triangular turnbuckles that in turn support the ceilings and perimeter overhangs. This innovative design ensures minimal impact on the natural environment while providing a stable and robust structure for the house. A standout feature of the house is its central volume, which excels in height and creates a perimeter window. This design allows the home to capture both morning and afternoon light, enhancing the living spaces with natural illumination. The decision to embrace complete transparency posed significant climatic challenges, particularly in an area where the weather is cold for most of the year. To address this, the house was equipped with very robust and hermetically sealed windows, ensuring energy efficiency and comfort. The interior layout of the house follows a formal order. Services are organized along the rear facade, while the 3 rooms and social areas are situated at the front, overlooking a stunning view of the water. This organization maximizes the use of space and ensures that the main living areas benefit from the best views and natural light. Access to the house is through a porch, where the door functions as a facade module and pivots open onto a balcony. This design provides an uninterrupted view of the surrounding landscape from the moment one enters the house. The absence of traditional decorations is compensated by the luxurious experience of the landscape, which can be enjoyed from any point within the house. Ultimately, the luxury of this innovative home lies in its seamless integration with the natural environment. By focusing on democratic design principles, the architects have created a home that is both affordable and luxurious, providing its occupants with an unparalleled connection to nature. The success of this project demonstrates the potential of formal economy and prefabrication in delivering high-quality, cost-effective housing solutions. As the series of houses continues to develop, it sets a new standard for what can be achieved in residential architecture, blending functionality, affordability, and beauty in a way that was previously thought to be impossible.